Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn one of the most important concepts in Java programming, classes. Classes are at the very heart of object-oriented programming, so mastering them is essential for any Java developer. So, why do we need classes? Classes give structure to our programs by letting us model real-world entities. They bring three main advantages: modularity, breaking complex systems into smaller parts; reusability, writing code once and using it multiple times; and maintainability, making updates easier by localizing changes. Think of a class as a blueprint. Just like a blueprint defines a building's design, a class defines how objects will look and behave. The key components of a class are fields, variables that store the state; methods, actions or behaviors; constructors, special methods for initializing objects; and class name, which identifies the blueprint. Now, objects are the actual instances created from a class. For example, if we have a car class, then my car and your car are objects, each with their own color, model, and speed. So the class is the blueprint, but the object is the real thing we use in the program.
Attributes or fields define the data of a class. There are two types: instance variables, which are unique to each object, and static variables, which are shared by all objects. For example, in a car class, we can have attributes like model, color, year, and current speed. Each car object will have its own values for these attributes.
Methods define what an object can do. They keep related logic together, making the code easier to read and maintain. Methods can change an object's state, return information about it, and even allow objects to interact with one another. They can also take parameters and return values, making them the executable part of a class. A constructor is a special method used to initialize objects. It runs automatically when we create a new object with new. The constructor sets the initial values of fields and ensures the object is ready to use. Constructors have the same name as the class, no return type, and can be overloaded to allow different ways of creating objects. Access modifiers in Java are used to manage visibility and encapsulation. They determine how classes, methods, variables, and constructors can be accessed. Public, accessible from anywhere, making it the least restrictive. Protected, accessible within the same package and also by subclasses. Default, no modifier, accessible only within the same package. Private, accessible only within the same class, making it the most restrictive. By using the right access modifiers, we protect internal data from misuse, maintain data integrity, and provide a clean way to interact with objects.
Classes are blueprints, objects are the instances, fields define state, and methods define behavior. Understanding classes is the first step in mastering Java OOP. Next, you can explore concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, and interfaces. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials.